So you have Donald Trump that's blaming Ukraine for its own war. Let's break it down. You had Russia that invaded Ukraine in February 2022, but now Trump says that Ukraine should have made a deal, but blames them for the war. So what really happened? Why did Russia go ahead with that war with Ukraine? Remember that Ukraine was once part of the Soviet Union but gained independence in 1991. 2014 actually was the turning point. Russia annexed Crimea after Ukraine leaned towards the west. Putin sees Ukraine as Russia's backyard and doesn't want it aligning with the NATO or the European Union. In 2022, full-scale invasion. You have Putin that actually called it a special military operation to denazify Ukraine. Firstly, let's understand why isn't Ukraine in NATO? Because NATO's rule, attack one, attack all. If Ukraine was a member, the United States and Europe would be at war with Russia. NATO hesitates because you have Russia that calls it a red line. Also, you have Ukraine that has internal issues. Instability as well as ongoing border conflict actually makes NATO membership pretty tricky. But here's the twist. You have Finland and Sweden that joined NATO recently, proving the alliance is growing, in fact, not backing down. As of recent Trump's big statements, one, he's hinting at cutting US support for Ukraine, leaving Europe to deal with Russia alone. His NATO stance, if countries don't pay more for defense, well, Russia can do whatever they want. Well, the bottom line in all of this is that Russia's war isn't just about land. It's about power. NATO's standing firm, Ukraine's future is uncertain, and Trump, well, he's shaking up the global politics.